Hey guys, today I'll be showing how to make this mushroom. And yeah, let's get started. Here's what I'm using. So this is the color we're gonna be using. Alright, let's do this. Alright, that should be enough. To mix. Alright, it needs more red and some activator. I make my activator with water and borax. Some more. Okay, let's get my red, my Christmas red. There we go. I finally got the color that I wanted. Next, we're gonna add the charms, but before we add the charms, I'm gonna be a little creative and make it more fun and shape it into a mushroom. So as I'm doing right now, I'm just trying to shape it. I never knew how to shape a mushroom, so we're gonna try. Okay. Now I have some snow slime, and we're gonna make it to a stem. So white. Let's see, now we're gonna figure out where we're gonna place it. Should be like right here. Alright. Now we're gonna do the little dots. Now let's see. See if you're gonna put one maybe like right here on the side. One right here. One right here. There we go. Alright, now we can add the charms. Okay, this is my favorite part, so let's go. Alright, ready? It feels so nice. Alright. Okay, get the stem. Can't wait to see how this all turns out. Thanks for watching. Bye!